Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resolve the issues that is your keyboard not working on the Windows 10 or 11, either completely or only some keys. So don't worry, this video will show you a quick and permanent way to fix all keyboard issues in just a few minutes. So follow these simple steps. First of all, unplug and reconnect your keyboard or restart your laptop. And the second option is that open device manager, keyboards, and after that, right click, you just have to install device and then restart. The third step is that update your keyboard driver by selecting update driver, search automatically. After that, and just going to the settings and just change the time and language, and after time and language you just go into the typing and just change the advanced keyboard settings and check your input language is okay or not, and just checking that in English. So after that, if your problem not gonna solve, just run the command prompt admin, and if you don't know where, you just have to run the command. Simply just know you see the icon of the window, just right click and just going to the device manager, and sorry for that, you just go to the terminal admin and just type that prompt. And after that, if you're using a laptop, disable filter keys in case of access keyboard settings. So work for the Windows 10 and 11 users facing keyboard not typing. So that's why you have to just follow all these steps to fix the issue. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more updates about the Windows problem and also solutions.